Now I'm here checking the diagnostic trouble code for this Chevrolet Blazer. Concern is engine light. As you can see, the engine light is on. Now I will check with this is control MDI GD. So the MDI is connected already to the LC. Then I will open this one, stand alone. See diagnostic trouble code. Then it's coming. See Blazer 2020. Then click next. Just wait for a while scanning. So we can go here, module diagnosis, and select engine control module. Then here we go, diagnostic trouble code, enter, and DTC display. See, there is DTC, engine coolant temperature below threshold. See, P0128 current. So that is the DTC showing in the instantaneous. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.